John, in his infinite skill, has caught yet another one, and his forearms are burning to death, right?
Oh yeah.
You been up to McBlair at all?
Can I come by, Tom? I'm going to try and catch him more sideways.
Yeah, I was wondering about that. One of these days I may stop out there, but yeah, the water temperature there is pretty cold anyways, isn't it?
Yeah, the idea is you want the pole, resistance to the pole to go against the fish, not the real killing. I see.
Yeah, I gotcha. All right, how's Bobby doing the rest of the game?
You're gonna screw it up. Yeah.
Oh, while I'm at it, I'll take a panoramic view of the whole area. Need help, John?
You did? Or not? Yeah, I don't need help.
Yeah, there you go.
Wait,
All right,
yes or no? You don't need
stay
help.
right there. I will catch up. I'll still be here when
Yeah, I
we come
reached a
back.
point where I simply couldn't turn it anymore.
When they say I'll go.
Let's hope it's a blue.
Yeah, that tide changed yesterday about 1:30 there. So probably by 2 I'll be out of here.
Just the 50-pounder.
Last time it was 30 pounds he pulled in.
It's like lakes aren't even this calm a lot of times.
Yeah,
Like that, like
to the east there, you know, usual zones.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's starting to see it.
Is that thing a video camera too?
Yeah, takes a 4K video.
Enjoy's been doing it. Yeah.
Stripe!
Good times. I may be going on Tuesday, Wednesday. We'll see what the weather does.
Pull it up. There we go. Step back.
Reel up a little bit more. Nice.
Yep.
Another one.
Striper, yep. Another nice one. Wow. Beautiful
Good
fish
one.
right there. They're also healthy looking.
Oh yeah.
John, you want the trophy shot?
Sure, yeah.
Never hold as close to the camera as you can. It'll look huge.
Yeah,
Hold
right.
it straight out.
Stick right in that slime there. There you go!
Pull it out.
The man!
The man, the myth, the legend.
That's what's nice, you know, that feels cool.
The man, the